And the giraffe. To my channel, guys. And we're gonna paint a giraffe and the elephant and the catnip. I'm gonna use blue. And I want to use this. And I want to paint the giraffe. Pick up this giraffe. Don't touch the paint, Daddy. Oh, yeah, baby. I think Ryan's gonna paint this giraffe. I think Ryan's gonna get the giraffe in this one. I just paint in my hand. It's white. It's not. It's not dry. Look at this, guys. It's not sweet. Get that? Right. I need more yellow. I painted giraffe. I time to paint the elephant. That's great. Ready? Let's go. That's a big gray. That's a big gray, so good.
The farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child.
I'm gonna get a dino one. I'm gonna get a dino picture. I'm gonna get replica of the dino. Replica of the T-Rex.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow.
Replica of the T-Rex, Daddy. You can lay down the elephant. I'm painting the elephant. What? Look at this, guys. It's an elephant. Where is it? Wow. Guys, I'm painting really hard. I just painted really hard. And guys, I found what's an elephant I put. I'm going to put the elephant down. And we'll need the green for like a cactus. But we like cactus. And more green. We like a cactus. Look at this, guys. I'm painting very hard. Cactus. The cactus can lay down. Oh, I'm covered up. My hand is covered up. I'm grabbing some ferns. That's what the cactus say, Daddy.
That's what the cactus says? What the cactus say?
I'm grabbing some paints.
Yeah, you got paint on my hands.
Yeah, I'm grabbing them.
Why you got green paint on me?
Yeah. You're gonna get some paints. Look at this, guys. Look at my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, Captain. I'm almost done. I have some scratches in my eyes too, in my nose. I got some scratches in my eyeballs. My eyebrows. Wow, wow, wow. The painting. She's like a zombie. Daddy, it can lay down. It's like it's the bed. It can lay
You
down.
got me all painted up like a zombie.
Like a zombie. We paint you. Ha 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 ha. You a zombie. You paint me like a zombie. This is here. We made this for this round. With the Steve game. And the giraffe. And I'm making the spots. The giraffe. I need more brown. I need more brown. Like this. Like that. Spots. Spots in the tail. Spots in the tail. There, I'm finished. Hey guys. My garage is done. The effort is done. And the effort. This is not white. And the giraffe not white too. Put them to mix. They're right there. Okay guys, my giraffe is done. Then I just put it to the animal. I'm finished. Look at this. It's not white. Bye guys. If you want to subscribe.